Yeah, David. David, your name's David. Good job. Come on, say hello. Oh, hello, David. Which one would you like? No,
you can get the sticker from this carrot. You want the big one, the small one?
You want the big one?
No, we don't want it.
Sorry, Mommy can show you.
Yes, Mimi.
Can you see your picture? No, that's Jack. You done. Do you want one of these?
One sticker. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
another one.
Yes. Very good. You want this? You want the yellow color? Yes. You can do it. Red color now. Yeah. Red color. Yeah. Put some. Okay, wait. This side or more here. Okay, now we finished because you already put some water. Yes.
More water in here.
Oh! Good job!
Some more? Want to want some more? Some more. This one?
Not enough. Two what like this?
That one?
That this, Jay.
What do you say?
Spoon.
You're welcome.
And put it on your plate.
Now I'm very careful holding it like that.
Yes.
It's no.
No, no. Don't put it on. No. Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Fishes in the sea, we all jump up with our 1, 2. Our feet are in the seats, we all jump up with our 1, 2, 3. Ring a roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Okay, let's go round the Mount Rivers now, okay?